Hi there, this is Kira from Love, Life, and Simplicity. This is my new YouTube channel. We will be talking about family, raising kids, living a simpler life, and everything that goes along with that. From housework to cooking recipes to our day-to-day schedules. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 4 kids. I'm starting a home-based business for virtual assistants and writing my own cookbook to boot. All while having 2 toddlers underfoot and homeschooling a third one and helping the fourth transition to adulthood. So it's a busy household around here, but I wouldn't change it. And I just want to welcome you to this minimalish journey of ours and hope that you enjoy the sideshow that our lives can tend to be at times. So, thanks for watching, and I hope to catch some of you in some live streams that we'll be doing, and interact with some commenting. And if you are interested in seeing where this might go along with us, we'd love to have you. Just hit that like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.